Hello guys, this is Subhan Arshad and this is my YouTube channel Car Adventure TM. So today I am going to review the most awaited super bike, or you can say 160cc segment bike, which is the all new TVS Apache RTR 160 4V with the BS6 compliant engine. So let's do a quick review of this bike. So first, it gets the all new meter which shows you the RPM and the speed, and you get the engine light, neutral light and many more switches in it. As you can see on your screen, the 3D TVS logo is also provided in this bike. As you can see, TVS Apache RTR 164V is a commuter bike available in two variants in India. Its lowest version starts from a price of 1,04,205 rupees, which is an ex-showroom price, and the top version from price of 1,07,220, which is also ex-showroom. So TVS Apache RTR 164V generates 15.6 bhp of power and 14.12 Newton meter of torque from its 159.7cc engine, single cylinder engine of Apache RTR 164V. Has a 5-speed manual gearbox with rear drum and front disc brake, and top variant of TVS RTR Apache 164V also has an anti-locking braking system. This 147 kg bike is available in 3 colors, and the 3 colors are metallic blue, racing red and kyanite black. So this is the new BS6 engine. As you can see on your screen, it gets a chamber which is the perfect proof of a BS6 engine compliant bike. The headlight is completely changed. The look of headlight is now being LED, and you get the all new daytime running lights. DRL are also in different position, as you can see on your screen. The TVS Apache RTR 164V gets cosmetic as well as mechanical changes for 2020, as I have told you about the cosmetic changes, which is one of the headlight change, as you can see, and this white strip coming from the front and gets to the tank and left the tank at the end. The TVS is offering the motorcycle in two variants, drum and disc, which comes with single channel ABS as standard. The most striking visuals difference a new headlamp unit that is sharper and much more angular than the previous model. Moreover, the headlamp features are all LED lighting, along with a pair of redesigned LED DRLs, which I have already told you. In addition to that, TVS has also given the motorcycle subtitled new graphics on the fuel tank along with a two-tone seat. As you can see, there are grey inserts on the seat, and you can also see the racing stickers on the tank, which you have seen on the tank before. The most striking visual difference, a new headlamp unit that is much sharper. The Apache RTR 164V is powered by the same 159.7cc single cylinder engine, and this also gets the branding of BS6 and RTFI, as you can see, and on the engine edge you can see the branding of Hyper Edge, which looks pretty good and gives the nice look to the bike. This RTR Apache 164V is powered by the same engine, 159.7 cc single cylinder engine, that is fuel injection, which means FI, as standard. The motor churns out 15.8 bhp of power at 8250 rpm and 14.2 Newton meter of peak torque at 7250 rpm, and comes mated to a 5-speed gearbox. The Apache RTR 164V also comes with a feature called Glide Through Traffic for a smooth low speed ride. That means glide through traffic means, which is GTT. You should not do any without pressing clutch and acceleration. You will get easily out of the traffic. This is the new feature offered by TVS on this bike. It also gets with a one-touch start and a wave bite ignition key. In terms of competition, the motorcycle goes up against the Bajaj Pulsar NS 160 and Honda Hornet 160R. The good things of this bike are easy to ride in the city, engine is smooth, good looking instrument cluster, which I also being very impressed by the meter of this bike. The displacement of this engine is 190, that's 159.7 cc, and the top speed of this bike is 114 kilometers, and the curve weight of this bike is 147 kg, which is much lighter than its segment. And this bike is offered in 3 colors only, which are metallic blue, racing red and kyanite black. So this is all about this bike, and you get the all new suspension setup in this bike and red color suspension at the rear for more sportier looks, which is of the best companies. As you can see, you also get the shocker guard, as you can see on your screen. The front look as the BS4, but it also gets a chamber, which means it's completely a BS6 FI bike. So this is the rear suspension of the bike, as you can see on your screen. And if we talk about the owner's review, this is by Raj Kamal Samrastipur. I have been owning this bike since August 2019, and after having almost 10 months I am writing this review. One, riding quality, bike is very smooth, you would never feel stiff. Pickup is very nice, got 47 km/h in first gear and 110 km in fourth gear. For looks and performance, I like its look, everyone appreciates it. So this is the review, and if you like my video, share it with your friends and don't forget to hit the like button. This is all about the all new BS6 TVS Apache RTR 164V BS6. So thank you so much, and if you like my video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and till then, see you, bye bye, see you in the next video. And if you have any query related to this bike or any other car, so let me know in the comment section. I will be there to answer your comments. Till then, see you in the next video.